Ideas have been floating around, decisions have been made, plans have been drawn, and it's time to get this kitchen renovation started. Now, it's very early in the morning right now, but by the end of the day, all of these cabinets will be gone and this entire wall. The guy charged with making all that happen is contractor Greg Perez. He and his crew began by removing the old wall cabinets, some of which
they're nailed together,
while some are held in with screws. Now, they're all a little flimsy, so Linda isn't sad at all to see them go.
I'm glad it's coming out. I'm like, yay, goodbye.
When the base cabinets start coming out, they discover that she also had some unwanted house guests that she's also glad to get rid of.
So a lot of, yep, mice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The upside of having a small kitchen is that it can be taken apart very fast. When Greg gets to that brick backsplash Linda dislikes so much, he decides to let her have a turn at getting rid of it.
Okay, you can take the rest, because it'll take me forever and I can't see.
The makeshift pantry is next to go, so the guys can tackle the partition wall behind it. Now, Greg determined that this wall between the kitchen and dining room wasn't load-bearing, so they could tear into it as well. They do, however, have to use a lot of caution in dealing with all the electrical wires that run through it.
Guess we could have left that wire there for Danny to cut through it, right?
Yeah. When the wires are safely out of the way, Greg lets Linda in on the fun part of the job by taking out the wall.
Wow. Goodbye.
Taking out this wall really opens up Linda's kitchen, and when the studs are all removed, the guys can start unifying the space by peeling back the old floor. Well, Greg, I'll tell you, I've remodeled a lot of kitchens and everything. There's just something fun about tearing all the cabinets out.
It goes quick. It goes very quick. The cabinets gave us a little bit of struggles, but they were nailed up, screwed up, and with the guys, they tore it out pretty fast. It doesn't take long. Linda helped us.
Great start on this project. Now, you got a lot of preparation to do before the cabinets come in, of course, like any renovation. That's where it slows down a little bit.
Right.
But what's your plan here on the floor? I see Tim and Kent's gotten a good start on subflooring here. So.
As you can see, we have a few layers of vinyl taking up the subfloor. Yep, well, we already started by rejacking the foundation up. We had a small settlement. Jacked that up this morning. We're going to make sure we don't have any water damage on the original floor.
Oh, that's great.
And then if we do, we'll replace any plywood that we need to.
Well, you can always tell the different, I guess, elevation or evolution of a kitchen when you see the different floors like that.
Yeah.
All the different ones. So.
There's 3 layers on here.
Well, I'll tell you, removing this wall, I'm never that lucky to remove a wall that's not load-bearing. We always have to come in and put all kinds of beams and that kind of thing. I know you check carefully before you remove the wall, but that's great that you don't have to do any beam work.
We actually, this wall was added by a homeowner before Linda, so it wasn't that hard to take out. A few screws and the wall came out.
Well, look, I hate to just hang around not do anything. There's plenty around here to do. What can I help you with?
We still need to remove this wall if you want to help us with that.
That'll work.